First, I start the passive present. You should know the simple tense. So, as you know that the present means whatever that is happening now. Present tense, we can say that it relates two things. First, the action going on, and the second one that will happen regularly.
Same.
So, for example, I can say that I am a student of UET Lahore. That is the simple tense that is universally describing myself, and it also describes your personality, and that cannot change. So, passive tense. For example, he reads a novel. I can say that a novel is read मीन्स कि उस मैंने नॉवल वो नावल पढ़ता है नावल उसने पढ़ा है शी डज नॉट कुक फूड इज नॉट कुक बाय हर खाना उससे नहीं बन रहा सो वी कैन से दैट पैसिव टेंस इज दैट थिंग that can describe that is done by her or him. So that's it.
Okay, this is good. Some of your translations are not appropriate. खाना उससे नहीं बन रहा नहीं होगा. Right? Like food is not cooked. खाना नहीं बनता है. Something like that. Okay. Alright. Otherwise, it's good. I like this handwritten handout.